Today I'm using my cleanup brush. This is Wet n Wild cleanup brush, toothpick, and a dotting tool. This has a medium dotter and a large dotter. Also, my handy dandy plastic lid, China Glaze Treble maker, Revlon Urban, Zoya Low, Blackheart Beauty Teal Galaxy, Moonshine Manny, A Battle of Wits, Nicole by OBI, A Phil's Paradise. So first I cut some strips of masking tape, and now we're just going to go over with this dark gray. I paint against the lines this way because it helps the polish not bleed as much. Make sure that you push the masking tape down real good, because if you didn't, you might get a little bit of bleeding, which is always fixable. Alright, and now I want to put my flakies right over top of that silver. And then we're gonna take the tape off right away. I'm not fancy enough to have any kind of tweezers. I find this easiest to clean it up when it's still a little bit wet. Just fix a little tiny bit of boo-boos that we did, and we made a big mess. By we, I mean I. For my other nails, we're gonna do random hearts. So I'm gonna make a few little polish puddles of all of my colors on my lid. And then I'm just gonna go in with my toothpick and pick a color and start drawing. So the way that I make hearts, you just make a dot and then you pull towards the center, and a dot, pull towards the center and lift up. Cute little heart. Oh, it's so cute. And I'm gonna make a bunch of different sizes. Random pattern. Just for future reference, you probably should start with the big hearts first. And now we're gonna go do the same thing with the daughters. If you're gonna have a pattern like this, make sure that you have things that go like off the edge, like this guy here and this guy over here. Alright, now on this middle one that I did stripes, I'm gonna do a heart on the corner. This is not original at all. Right about here. Well, that's about it. Super, super simple, and look at those hearts. They're so cute. I just cannot stop with the Valentine's stuff. I did non-traditional colors just so that we could be a little bit different. I hope that you liked it. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. I'd love to chat, and I'll see you soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.